All right, guys, it's Rob Caputo here with Talking with Cars, and today what we're going to do is we're going to replace the air filter in the engine compartment for this 330e, right? The BMW G20 body style. So basically, it's that car right there. You've seen me wash it a whole bunch of times, and it's got about, I think, 24,000 miles. So I have 27,000 miles on it. So I figured, you know what? It's time for the air filter to be swapped out. I got this air filter. It's a genuine BMW air filter. I got it through FCP Euro. I'm not affiliated with FCP. I don't think I am. No, I'm not affiliated, but I will put a link down below for this filter. And if I find it online, I'll share it with you also, if it's on Amazon or an equivalent on Amazon. But yeah, this is an actual BMW filter. So it should be a direct replacement. And again, this video is going to be very quick. It'll be should be very easy, actually. The model number on this, just so you have it, is 13718580428. So that's that, right? So it should be a direct replacement, very simple. Again, this should be a very quick video. I don't believe there's any screws or anything like that that's holding the air compartment together. I think it's just 4 clips based on some of the videos that I've seen. So let's get right to it. This is Talking with Cars. All right, so let's open the hood up from inside and get this thing moving. And I believe it's on this side of the car, so when we open this up, yeah, there we go. So you'll see the air compartment right here. I'll lower this down a little bit so you guys can see it a little bit better. Clean out this area and make sure that it's 100% clean too. So what we'll do is we'll have the vacuum ready, so when we open this up, we'll be able to vacuum any dust particles out. All this is basically 4 clips. You have one here, one here, one here, and then one back in here. So you see that right there. All right, and you don't necessarily have to take this entire thing off. You should be able to just unclip these with a screwdriver. Let me go grab that. All right, so I brought another flashlight in too, so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. But be careful that you don't lose these. I don't believe that they're mounted on the back side. They're only mounted on, they're basically sandwiched in. So let's do this. Let's do the front one first. All right, so it does seem to like hold on to place, but it's very loose. So be careful that you don't lose them. Second one. All right, then we got the third and fourth. All right, now we should be able to kind of lift this up and access the existing filter. So let me put the camera back. Peel this away and pay attention to the direction of this corner right here, because we're going to just kind of mimic that. And you can see it's a little bit on the dirty side. Not the dirtiest thing I've seen before, but you know, we're going to replace it. Let's compare it to the new one, right? So we'll put that aside. We'll check inside to make sure that it's clean inside. Very little debris. There's really nothing there. And we're going to just simply place this in, making sure that it aligns up nicely. Push it down. And then reinstall these clips. All right, first one's in. Second. Third. And the last one. Last one's in, so I needed to kind of persuade that. I put my screwdriver in that clip right here and kind of persuaded it forward. All right, so that's it. That's the replacement of this filter. So honestly, it's an easy job. So it doesn't take long at all. You could replace this every 25,000, every 30,000 miles, I would suggest, especially on these engines. And that's basically it. That's as easy as it gets, right? So the next project I'm going to do is going to be the in-cabin filter. That's going to be a little bit more complicated, a little bit more intense. Couple screws that we're going to have to loosen up, and it's underneath the glove compartment, so it makes it a little bit tougher to get to. And now is actually a good time to be able to kind of like clean off the airbox on the outside, because usually it gets kind of dusty in the engine compartment. Use a little all-purpose cleaner in a paper towel or a microfiber towel and just clean it off. You know, clean the surface off, get everything all looking nice. You know, you have this entire box area here that gets dusty. So it's a good moment to clean this off, right? Take a little microfiber towel or a paper towel and just kind of clean that off so it looks nice. I think that's it. So hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. And this applies to all the G20 2019 to present BMW 3 Series engines with the 2.0 liter engine, the turbocharged engine, air filters on that side. And it applies to either one of them, right? So it doesn't matter if it's a 330i, 330e, it's a 2019 to present G20 engine. And you'll see the airbox right here on the left-hand side. This is an easy peasy job. Go ahead and order this through FCP Euro, or I'll put the links down on Amazon below, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.